welcome back to the channel. This week we're doing a second take on the explosion we already tried. This is my assistant and cousin, Riley. So we have two different jugs we're going to be doing today. They're both just filled with water right now, partially.
Here's all the stuff we're gonna
Yeah, we're going to be using candy, so a couple different chocolates, some popcorn.
Oh, our heater and our paper.
Our heater isn't really a heater, guys. It's just a Scentsy. Some crayons. Yeah, that's about it for right now. This is actually the first ever explosion we did. It's kind of foamy and interesting.
Gross.
We're just watching it as it goes. So, we're also putting this green Powerade in it.
Really good.
Do you want to do this one and I'll do this one?
I don't care.
Okay, you do that one, I'll do this one. Don't, here, use this to scrape it out. We're trying not to hurt ourselves.
Move this up a little bit. This
I'm putting crushed up popcorn in mine first.
sounds like a good idea.
Actually, no, let's pour the liquid in first.
Yeah, I thought too.
Oh, God. What if we put the melted ones in yours and the non-melted in mine?
Just so you
and we'll
know,
see what happens.
using your fingers to get the stuff off.
Don't try this at
not
home,
very
people.
good idea.
Don't try this at home. Ever.
It's dangerous. Hurts a lot.
Well, it hurts if you don't do it right.
Right.
Like this one over here. She's not too bright.
Oh, secret.
I'm just kidding, guys.
Alright, put a little crushed up piece.
I mean, we have safety scissors for crying out loud.
Oh, speaking of which, I have another pair of scissors in here. Oh, where are they? Oh, they all go somewhere.
You lost your scissors?
Here. Another pair of scissors. Alright, so give me some crayon to...
I'm going to put both colors in mine. Because last time we only did one. This barely works. Are your scissors sharp?
Yeah.
Mine are like dull.
You want to use mine?
All this stuff is on the outside. Oh my God. They're going to beat the crap out of us. You know that, right?
I don't care.
Oh, here's your chocolate.
Here, try this. Ew, it's all water now. Oh, crap. We need to stop that.
Ew, yeah, turn it off. Now that it's hot, turn it off.
Yeah, that's like burning hot, and it just like made our crayon go color.
Your crayon. My crayon is pink. And we're going to have to wipe that out after.
I'll
Whatever.
be right back over. I had to run to the kitchen to grab our paper towels to wipe everything. Because this looks like a mess. Sorry, hey? Ouch. Really
I
hurts.
can't break this.
Look how cool that looks.
Dude, we don't have time for cool. Here.
Alright. Turn it back on. Gonna heat that. Alright, until it's doing.
Hey, where's my lid?
Your lid to what?
To my cover thing.
Right here.
Okay, well, give it to me just in case it, like, does explode. What am I doing? Why don't I just cut this open? That's for yours. Mine's the clear one. I don't know if I said this in the first video, guys, but don't eat or drink your experiment.
No.
Kind of common sense, but don't try it.
Oh, we also put glue in it last time.
Do we have glue?
We do somewhere. I will look in our... Oh, we need glitter too, which I have in my kit back there.
How are we going to hide this? This is huge.
I have a couple cupboards.
Here, don't forget your chocolate.
Okay, there's that.
Oh, yeah, we could put it in the stool thing.
Ow. Don't try this at home, anyone.
Move that over away from you and it wouldn't hurt so much, you goose. I wonder what's gonna happen with the peanut butter. Oh, look at it. It's like dry. That's
Yeah.
weird, bro. Putting mine in as crumbs.
Put it in our little microwave.
It's so messy.
Don't worry, we know how to clean stuff. What if they come in?
That's why we're starting it now to clean it. Get ding dong.
Alright. So, I have to get our kit.
Just work fast. Come on.
Here's our big kit of supplies. Never like open hay.
What?
Open. Alright. So our glitter's almost gone.
Right, they can't hear you.
This.
Oh, we should have used that. Too late now.
Here's some glitter. I don't know where the rest of our stuff went. But it all went.
Well, we probably used it. I heard they cleaned it.
Yeah. And then move all my stuff.
Here, I'm gonna dump these in yours, okay? So I can
Alright, just
get rid of some of the evidence. Yours is more clear than mine. You gotta put like more chocolate and stuff in it. That's not gonna help. Look how clear it is.
Alright, everyone. So it's not working very well because we don't have any glue anymore.
Yeah,
What do
you're
you
supposed
think?
to use glue, guys. This one, we don't really know. It started with hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Oh, we use toothpaste, everyone. Let me go grab that real quick.
Yo, the glitter's not coming out. Oh my god. I don't
We
know
have
what
our
I'm doing.
Crest toothpaste, everyone. Let's get me my paintbrush. I do have it in here. Right, see, we put just a little bit on our paintbrush.
Oh, we have these on. These are our scientific glasses, by the way.
Yes, which I haven't put mine on yet because I don't believe we're gonna need them. But who knows? As much stuff as we put in, we usually.
She doesn't care about her safety.
No, I don't.
Alright, guys.
In fact, I even have glasses because of my safety.
Mine kind of looks disgusting. Hers looks weird. Mine looks disgusting.
So we have no more glue, I guess. It's weird.
Just put random stuff in it. Forget the glue. Sorry, guys. We're back. Sorry about that. We just had to go check something.
Started.
I know I just started. Who do you think I'm talking to? The people.
Oh, you restarted.
So,
So
clown.
look at mine. It looks like gross and all like.
Hers is like weird, and mine's like
Mine's
green.
apple cider-ish.
pukey.
So I think.
I don't know. They're kind of the same, but not. Ew,
I
hers
think-
is wet.
Yeah, it's just from the water we added. So I think I need to add more stuff. Like chocolate. And
I'm
we're
putting
gonna
a receipt
add
in mine.
bacon.
Want to put some receipt in yours?
Yeah. It'd be easier if we lived home alone. But
I practically do.
it doesn't always work how we want it. Sadly.
Neither of us is at our houses. We're hanging out with people.
Yeah. But they left for an hour. Maybe.
Or so. We don't really know.
Right.
That's why we're in a hurry right now.
They just like disappeared, so ha! So, now look at it. I think it's gonna
I need
explode
more
soon
juice.
because mine's all bubbly. Save some for your drink.
Let's put some of mine in it too.
Yeah. Jeez, girl. Forget all about yours. So I don't really know what else to add. I'm pretty, yeah, like we're out of stuff.
Okay, we're not putting any more liquid because it's like a lot.
Alright, here are our stirrers.
Our stirrers? We have stirrers? Oh god, we can't put that in there.
So we're gonna use these to stir it all up. Just in case. Like,
Are you done?
it doesn't
Stir
work that well.
spoon.
But so now what I have to do is I'm gonna cut it and put some in mine.
Ew, this is gross. Ew.
What is that? Like Barfy's chunky stuff.
It's crayon. No, it's popcorn.
Looks like barf, honestly. I'm sorry.
Did you ever put the Did you put the popcorn in yours?
Not yet. Do we have any more popcorn left?
Yeah, I didn't put the whole thing. I only put a little.
Oh, but anyway, we have
It's
a
over there.
bowl, just so you know. Alright, that's it.
It's burnt popcorn, guys, so it's
Yeah.
not good. We weren't gonna eat it.
Well, I was, but
She's a freak. She was eating it.
Haley, while we were playing our card games, I had to say, if you lose, because I got 9 and she only got 3, so
I made her put mint toothpaste on her face.
and wear our experiment glasses. It was kind of embarrassing.
But she wanted to do it. She said she was okay with it.
I guess, because I lost, but
Heck, are you gonna use this crayon?
I'm going to use some of it.
Okay. So I need more shaped crayon.
You know you have a whole purple one, right?
Oh. I don't want your hideous green one.
I like that. It's like a...
Dude, you have to crumble it up.
It's like a sea one. It's like... Oh.
Yeah, it says sea green.
Yeah, it's sea green. It's...
Ew, you just splashed yours all over me. Gross.
This is nothing special. It's... Gonna put my experiment.
It's
on.
literally just water and
So
Powerade.
It's starting to look kind of...
Hey, don't do that. You don't want to make the people sick.
So, I don't know. What else should we add, Haley? Should we add some pencil?
Pencil?
Yeah.
Why would we add pencil?
Like the lead? 'Cause we
That's
have-
not going to do anything, though.
We have mechanical pencils. I'm gonna try it. I wonder what it's gonna be. What it's gonna do. I just
Well.
almost the rest of this lead. What, guys?
Put some lead in mine. Now I like it.
Look. It just keeps going, and then eventually it will just like break. Alright, ready, Haley? We're adding some to Haley's. We have to.
Oh, it did go in. I was like,
So yeah, quick, easy. You need a bunch of stuff. It's kind of a mess.
It's messy.
I'll be right back, guys.
Don't do it. I mean, feel free to try it, but don't try it without your parents. I mean, if you're like bored, like really bored, then maybe try it, but I don't recommend it.
And if you have a parent guardian at home that don't like you making too much mess,
Don't do it. Jinx.
and you should have parental vision. Most
And they're
of the time,
probably going to say no, so just don't bother.
don't. I wonder what would happen if we add aloe.
Yes. Okay.
So we have aloe, like the sunscreen stuff.
The sunscreen stuff. Put them in mine.
I need some. Alright, put some in this. So I don't really know what it's going to turn out
Somebody's dying.
like.
I think we put aloe in that one too, the first one.
Alright, guys, please, please, please do not
Okay,
try
put your
this at
cover on.
home.
Mine's like all sparkly and gross at the same time.
Yeah. So sometime we might make a slime one. Don't know yet. Don't get your hopes up.
Yeah, we might be doing slime. We don't know. Ew, I just touched that. Ew.
Let me bring the aloe back.
Alright, well, that's all. Check out our mixtures. Mine
I-
looks worse than hers because I added more chocolate and crayons and goop, but hers is mostly just liquid.
But thanks, guys, for watching.
Like and subscribe. As always, tell your friends. Don't try this at home. Remember that. Don't try this at home.
You need parent, guardian, and their permission.
Unless you're an
Probably say
adult.
no. Correct.
Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be back next week. Well, I'll be back next week. Bye.